Shepherd's Cove Hospice, located in Albertville, is the only inpatient hospice facility serving Marshall County, as well as 7 of our surrounding counties. Our facilities offer a peaceful and home-like atmosphere for families and individuals who are traveling the end-of-life journey. First-time visitors are greeted by our friendly receptionist in the Ruth Walker Welcome Center. This living room and library bring the comforts of home to our guests. Here, family members can find a few minutes of peace and quiet. Just past the receptionist, you'll find loved ones, supporters, and former patients honored on the Good Shepherd and Giving Tree wall sculpture. Across the hall is the Wesley Brock Chapel, which offers a peaceful place of reflection for visitors of all faiths. This space reflects our value of reverence. The beautiful stained glass windows were donated by the Christ Episcopal Church in Albertville. Much of the artwork you see throughout the building was lovingly created by patients and families served by Shepherd's Cove Hospice. Just down the hallway is a special visitor entrance. This door is open 24/7 and is equipped with security features to ensure the safety of our patients. At Shepherd's Cove Hospice, we are measured by the quality of our staff. In this unique training space called the Pulse Center, we work hard to teach our staff how to provide a consistent, high-quality experience for every family, every time. In our kitchen, our dietary staff prepares home-cooked meals. At Shepherd's Cove, we focus on comfort, including comfort food. We can meet even the most unique dining requests of our patients. We realize visiting a loved one in our facility can be very difficult for children. This is why we have a special room just for kids. Sometimes, play is the best way to cope with stressful situations. Our inpatient unit includes 3 family rooms. Here, family members can play checkers, video games, watch TV, welcome visitors, or just rest. The highlight of our inpatient unit is the 10 guest rooms. Each are 3 times the required size, and this is on purpose so that we can accommodate as many friends and family members as the patient desires. When traveling the end-of-life journey, every moment spent with loved ones is of utmost importance. There are no restrictions on the number of guests, and with permission, we even allow most pets. Each room features home-like furniture and French doors, which guests can open up for fresh air, or step outside and relax in the rockers. If the patient is bed-confined, we can move their bed to the porch for a visit. A nourishment room offers free snacks and drinks to all of our guests 24/7. These wonderful treats are donated by loving individuals and groups in the community. Our second family room includes a full kitchen. Don't be surprised to see churches and other groups outside the agency using it to serve full meals to our guests and families. This kitchen also allows our families to continue celebrating special life events. Step outside and you'll find Gail's Garden, named after our founder, Gail Roadruck. We're currently looking for volunteers with landscaping skills to bring new life to this area. Our third family room offers a quiet space for family members and a wide selection of new release large print books supplied by the Gunnersville Public Library. At Shepherd's Cove Hospice, we are dedicated to creating life-changing experiences through our care. Come visit us anytime. To learn more about our inpatient unit, home and facility care, or community grief support, call the number on your screen.